Hi sir, my name is Amol Nazan and today date is 25 September 2021 and today's video topic is method. So first of all, what is meant by the method? So method is the set of perform particular task in single unit is called as a method. Method is inside written the inside the class. So what is mean by the class? So class is a blueprint of the object. So class having no occupy the any memory. So and second one is the what is the object. So object is a real world entity. Suppose what is meant by the real entity? Real entity is the suppose any name of the animal, person, birds, or any other. So it is the real world entity. So object having some properties. First one is the uh, state and behavior. What is meant by the state? So state is the is color, uh, is color is the state, and is behavior is animal is the walking, talking, and barking is the behavior of the animal, and and uh, object having created in a multiple ways. So first one is the by using new keyword, and second one is clone method, and third one is the factory method. So object can be created. So second one is the method is used to the mainly used to the to block code can be executed. So most used to the method. So so two types of the method. So first one is the user defined method, and second one is the predefined method. So user defined method is the user self created. So multiple example of the user defined method. So first of all, instant method, static method, abstract method. Abstract method is the our concrete method is the example of the user defined method. So second one is the predefined method. So predefined method is the java class is present in the java classes, and it created the java already created in the uh, any user defined classes. So like example of the uh, predefined method. So predefined method is the equal method, length method, compare to method, and comparing to ignore cases method is the example of the predefined method. uh, Predefined method. So method having most used to the block code can be executed. So programmatically example of the method. So we are creating the class animal, and inside the we are creating method public void run, and it inside the shout or dog is run, and after we have creating the main method. So main method is creating the object animal. A is equal to new animal, and after we'll have calling the run method. So a dot run, after final output is the dog is the run. So method is most used to the uh, uh, execute java code. So using the method. So what is the signature of the method and method syntax? So method syntax: public stat, public void, public void integer. So it is a syntax of method. So public is the axis modifier. So four type of axis modifier can be used to the method. So first one is the public, second one is the private, and third one is protected, and last one is the default axis modifier. So private so second one is the integer. So integer is the return type. So eight ways eight types of the return type. So first one is the integer, second one is the string, third one is the character, fourth one is boolean, fifth one is a long, seventh one is short, and last one is a float. So eight types return types can be used to the method. So method, and sum is the method name, and method having non-return types can be used to the void. So in this in this type the can be the non-return types of the method. So method having used to the execute the block code. So without method can be run the Java program. So thank you, sir.